Hi children, today we are going to learn about the lesson number 6, that is houses we live in. So houses where we are going to stay, about that today we are going to study. Okay. Complete the names of the parts of house. Page number 36. Okay. First here the chimney. Okay. Next is ventilator, wood, window, floor. Sorry, just a minute. Floor, this is door, and this is a roof. So today we are going to study about need for a house. So what is the need for for the house? We all need a house to live in, and it protects us from heat, cold, rain, storms, wild animals, and thieves. Okay, it gives the shelter and rest for us. We all feel the home is the safe place. Okay, and next is types of houses. Here there are two types of houses. One is kacha house, another one is pakka house. So kacha house means what? Here kacha houses are temporary houses. They are all made up of the mud, bamboo, straw and dry leaves. So you all know the mud, right? Bamboo with the help of bamboo sticks. Straw ಅಂದರೆ ಕಡ್ಡಿಗಳಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡ್ಡಿ ಎಸ್ದಿರೋದು ಅದು. Dry leaves means ಎಲೆಗಳು ಉದುರಿರೋದು. Okay, so these are all, with the help of these they are going to construct the kacha house, that is a temporary house. Temporary ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗಿನ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ. So we call that as weak houses. Suppose the more means strong wind or something comes means it will be, it can damage. Okay, so hut is a mud house made up of straw, bamboo, dry leaves and wood. These houses we can find out in villages. Okay, huts we can find out in villages. Next is pakka houses. So pakka houses are strong houses and we call that as permanent houses. So these are made up of the bricks. Bricks means ittige, cement ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿಮೆಂಟು ಮತ್ತು ಜಲ್ಲಿನ ಎರಡು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರಲ್ವ, ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್. ಐರನ್ ರಾಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವುಡ್ ದೇ ಆರ್. ಸೊ ಪಕ್ಕಾ houses can be single storied or multi-storied buildings or bungalow. Okay, so in the picture they have shown you here single story, multi-storied and bungalow. So next is some of the special houses. Some of the special houses are tent, igloo, still house, caravans, houseboats. These are all what? Special houses. So a tent, it is made up of the canvas. So where these tents are used, it is used for camping purpose, for soldiers and for campers who will go for trekking and all, they will use the tent. Next is igloo. Igloo means it is a house made up of the snow. It is found in the areas which are covered with snow throughout the year, like in the polar regions. So these igloos you can find out. So next is stilt houses. We find the stilt houses in place where it rains heavily. So these stilt houses they stand on bamboo stilts. Means bamboo sticks. These houses are standing. Means ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ಇರಲ್ಲ. These houses you can find out in here. We can find these stilt houses in Dharwad place. Okay, more heavy rain will be there. There these houses can be constructed. Caravans are houses on wheels. They are also called motor homes. Means we can take anywhere, wherever we want. They can be taken from one place to another. So these caravans we call it as motor homes. Okay, next is houseboats. Houseboats means these will float on the water and we can find these boats on Dal Lake, that is Kashmir and the backwaters of the Kerala. Okay, so many people they work together to construct the houses. So who are those people? Those people are architect, mason, electrician, plumber, painter, carpenter. So these are all the persons who work together to construct the house. So architect, what these people will do? These people will layout of the house. Layout ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು architects. Mason, he builds the walls and roofs by laying the bricks. He will construct. Electrician, he fixes up the electrical fittings and wires in the house. Plumber is going to fix the taps, pipes and water tank in the house. Painter will paint the walls to make the house look smart or beautiful. Okay, a carpenter, he makes some wooden objects like windows and almirahs. These are the people who are working together to construct the house. Next, they have given you some questions in the page number 39. Is your house single storied or multi-storied? So you have to write on your own this one. Okay, so what is the difference between single storied and multi-storied? You people know now by listening this lesson. Name any two materials used to make your house. Any two materials what are needed to construct your house, that you have to write. Which is your favorite room in your house? Which is the favorite room in your house, that you have to write. Is your house well ventilated? If means well ventilated means fresh air it is coming inside or not. If it is coming inside, you have to tick for yes, otherwise you have to tick for no. Next, qualities of good house. So the good house, how it should be. It is not important that the house where we are going to live, but it must be a large one, and a small house can also be a good place to live in. Okay, but it should have some of the following qualities. It may be a large or it may be a small, but some of the qualities should be there. It should be airy and clean. Airy and clean is fresh air. It should come inside our house. Okay, it should have a lot of plants around our home. It should be well ventilated, means doors and windows should be get the fresh air inside and enough sunlight. It should be have a clean neighborhood, means surrounding to us it should be very clean. The drainage system must be proper and covered. So drainage system, it should be covered well. So we can decorate the house with rangoli patterns, paintings, vases, wall hangings, decorative lamps, decorated house. It makes us to feel great in the home. Okay, these decoration makes the house cozy and comfortable. Cozy and comfortable means here we can live freely and comfortably. Okay, so this is all about the house where we are going to stay. How it should be. It should have all the sunlight and fresh air inside our house. And what are the types of houses you studied, and some of the special houses also we studied. Okay, please read the lesson, children. Thank you.